Section 10.6 Thevenin and Norton equivalent circuits. You can use the Thevenin equivalent and the Norton equivalent in the phasor domain. For example, if there is a linear circuit with terminals A and B, and you can transform this linear circuit into a Thevenin circuit, which has a voltage source VTH and an impedance ZTH. The voltage VTH is the open circuit between the node A and B, while the impedance ZTH is the equivalent impedance looking from terminal A and B when all the independent sources are turned off in the linear circuit. Of course, you can transform this linear circuit into a Norton circuit as well, where the Norton current IN is the short circuit current between terminal A and B, and the impedance Zn equals the impedance ZTH. So we can get the relationship between VTH and IN. VTH equals Zn multiplied by IN, and Zn equals ZTH. Let's look at this example. Example 10.8. Obtain the Thevenin equivalent at terminal A and B of the circuit in the figure 10.22. And to do that, we should calculate the equivalent impedance. Well, the equivalent impedance, you can use the equivalent impedance of parallel connection and series connection, and you will get ZTH equals 6.48 minus J 2.64 ohms. And then we need to calculate VTH. And we can get VTH with KVL. VTH minus 4 times I2 plus negative J6 multiplied by I1 equals 0. And we can calculate I1 and I2, and then we put them in the equation, and we get VTH equals 37.95 angle to 20.31 degree volts. This is the end of this section.